Chris from Hagon. Hey, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory. Welcome back. It's Chris from the Hagon Factory. Hey, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory. Welcome back. It's Chris from the Hagon Factory. Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory. So this week's video will be the last video for 2023. And what a year it's been. Without you guys, we couldn't have done it. We've had over 600,000 views, we've got nearly 2,000 subscribers. It's going really well. I'd like to thank everybody for their support, everybody who's chipped in, given me advice, commented. Just fantastic. Couldn't have done it without you guys, because less than 12 months ago, I didn't know how to do this, and I still don't really, but we are getting better week by week. There's a few other people I'd like to thank. My wife, Caroline. She's done an excellent job of picking up my slack so I can do these videos. She's really helped out, and without her, we couldn't get this done. And my father, Alan, what a champion he's been. He's gone out of his way, not just for me, but for everybody. He's helped people get their bikes going. He's made videos about stuff when he didn't really have time, because he's got plenty on, the old boy. But he's done a fabulous job, and we couldn't do it without him, and letting us go through all these 50 years of parts that he's collected. Lets us take some bikes out of the shed to do what we want with them. And it's just fantastic. And I'd like to thank Dave for letting us come out, go out to his airstrip and do a few test runs up and down. Without him, we'd have a lot of problems. But he's definitely helped us out doing that, so we don't have to go all the way over to Broadford and realise that we've got all these issues going on. So he's been a great help to us. Without him, we'd be buggered. So let's have a look at the video. Hope you enjoy it.
One of these days, we'll give back the time we borrowed. One of these nights, I won't worry about tomorrow. And one of these moments will stick in my mind. And one of these afternoons, I swear, we'll get up and we'll leave this time. We'll never make it very far. I like you riding in my car with your banjo on your knee. I like you singing my songs back to me, trying to stay between the lines that you read on my palms. I'm a man on fire. I'm a man.
They had double damped front forks.
Okay.
Which was different to most of the other Velos.
I like you riding in my car with your banjo on your knee. I like you singing my songs back to me, trying to stay between the lines that you read on my palms. I'm a man on fire. I'm a man on fire, and I'm trying to stay Funny how life is what you give and what you take. It's funny how waiting around is just another big mistake.
With a good mate of mine, Noel, we're just going to have a bit of a chat about a Hagon he's just put together with a bull taco motor. So give us a bit of history, Noel.
Hey Chris, how you going?
Funny how life is what you give and what you take. It's funny how waiting around is just another big mistake. Funny how everything's a circle, coming back again. So we laugh at ourselves when we pass ourselves coming round the bend. We never make it very far. I like you riding in my car with your banjo on your knee. I like you singing my songs back to me. I'm trying to stay between the lines that you read on my palms. I'm a man on fire. I'm a man on fire. And I'm driving around this town trying to put the flames out. When the sun goes down, you know I'm doused in doubt. But I think that you're the only one who will be keeping me cool tonight. Tonight. Never make it very far. Like you're riding in my car with your banjo on your knee. I like you singing my songs back to me. Trying to stay between the lines that you read on my palm. Hear that train pounding on my brain. It's coming to take me away. Lord, it's coming to take me away. Hear that horse ride down that plain, and Lord, it's coming to take my name.
So we're back at Al's workshop, in Dad's workshop. He's pulled down Ian's engine, so let's have a look and see what he's found.
Okay, well, we've found a multitude of interesting little things that have happened. The first one is, Ian said that it wasn't running too well and then it come to a bit of a stop. Well, here's the reason that it stopped. It's pulled a heap of teeth off the magneto pinion gear, and it's an old fibre gear, which when they get really old, they eventually do get fully soaked with oil and they become quite weak. And somebody's converted this with a welding plant. They've converted it into a pinion to go on a manual advance magneto. This would have originally been an auto advance magneto pinion. So there's the reason that it came to a bit of a halt.
Yep, so I did that at Easter over at Broadford.
Broadford, yeah, that's the reason it came to a bit of a halt. That's just for a second. Now, if we look in here closely, there's some of the teeth off the pinion gear.
Yep, you can see those, yeah.
We'll just save them to show you. Right, now, this here is the pivot for the cams, and these are the cams. And, just roughly, just so that we can fit it on, just to try and get some measurements of that. Just slides on the spine there, like
so.
like so. Like so. Okay, so that's where the clutch will sit. Okay, so then what we need then is we need a shim washer, like this one. We'll just put just a few random springs in today.
How many springs
again. Lord, it's making me cry again. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford you, California. I'll get to you sometime.
then I've put a Triumph Bonneville piston in it, a 9-to-1 Triumph Bonneville piston. You've got to overbore them to 71 mil, but there's plenty of meat there to do that. Big end and mains, everything's good there. I've modified the...
I see that train and it looks lonely, 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 yeah, yeah. Lonely, yeah, yeah. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford you, California.
Sure.
Really?
Yes. At my age, I forget these. I think it's a get together with the Classic Club and the Bendigo Historic Motorcycle Club.
Fantastic.
Celebrate the 100th anniversary of the BMW Motorrad and the 50th anniversary of the iconic R90S.
Fantastic. So, where are you guys staying tonight?
Llanelli
Llanelli at the...
at the Bendigo Historic Motorcycle Club rooms. Yep,
It's a great venue, isn't it?
fantastic.
Excellent venue. And don't forget, we've got the swap meet coming up out there as well.
Hey, can I just say
December.
that the Hagon Factory is legendary.
Is it really?
It is fantastic.
We're working on it anyway.
That's great.
We are working on it.
When I get old and I get cold. When you have to hand down your crown. When I get torn and I get worn. Hand me down, hand me down. Strike a chord when you stop coming around. When you get smart or you get bored. Hand me down, hand me down. Hand me down, hand me down. I do all those things I said, but I never did. You know I would, you know I would. You know
Same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Right, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Let's bring Hagon's back. Right, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back. Right, so I hope everyone has a really great Christmas and New Year and stays safe. Looking forward to seeing everyone out and about in the new year. And the same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody.
no.
Let's bring Hagon's back.
Hand me down, hand me down. Hand me down,